kavako mu nkambi ya Uganda Cranes nga beteekerateekera ez'okusunsulamu abaneetaba mu mpaka za Africa Cup of Nations wa 2023. Enkambi bagikubye mu kibuga Tunis mu ggwanga lya Tunisia ng'enkya lwe basitula okwolekera ekibuga Algiers mu ggwanga lya Algeria. Omutendesi wa ttiimu y'eggwanga Micho Slodovic ategeezezza nti ayagala obubonero 10 mu mipiira gino Uganda bweba yakuzanya mu mpaka eza AFCON.
I strongly believe that every single Ugandan expect him to go to the Africa Cup of Nations, and our ultimate target is to get more than 10 points that will guarantee us that we shall qualify to the Africa Cup of Nations. We are entering in this match against Algeria with an intention, fully aware that opportunities and chances are not lost, that are always taken by those that are ready to work hard enough to take their chances and opportunities.
Omuzibizi wa Uganda Cranes Bevis Mugabi ng'ogw'ensimbi aguchangira mu Motherwell eya Scotland agamba bakulwana okuuka ejjembe okulaba nga bafuna obubonero bubayisaawo.
Us qualifying for AFCON, ultimately that's the target. I don't think any players come here to just be passengers and not compete. And for me personally, I want to play in another African Cup of Nations, so I think the squad will be ready and we'll be trying our hardest to make that happen. Everyone in the squad has good experience against playing against these type of players, and I think we'll be more than ready to go into Saturday's game and compete.
Abazanyi bonna 23 nga kwotadde n'abaguchangira bweru w'eggwanga batusedda mu nkambi e Tunisia. Abel Chitaka, Salt TV.